Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by installing Horizon and running it as administrator so Windows grants full access. This avoids permission errors. Once done, connect your Xbox 360 storage device or use the transfer cable and confirm the drive appears in Horizon. Make sure to export a backup of the original save to a safe folder before editing. This protects you if something goes wrong and lets you restore the console quickly. Open the save or profile container and locate the exact game title. Accuracy matters because files differ by version. Once located, extract the save to your PC and use Horizon's Save Editor or Resource tools to change inventory, stats, or flags. This is where precision matters, so change one value at a time and note what you alter. If using a pre-built mod or trainer file, import it and verify the preview before committing the write. After editing, you must rehash and resign the save so the console accepts it. Horizon provides that option. Use it every time. Then repack and transfer the edited save back to the Xbox 360 drive, safely ejecting the device when done. Test the game immediately to confirm changes. If the game crashes or rejects the save, restore the backup you made earlier and repeat the edit more conservatively. That backup is your fastest rescue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.